Captain.
The cruiser has not slowed its pace.
Have you been able to contact their captain?
Z9 says he cannot make contact with anyone.
Where's R2 when I need him?
We've got to regroup and head back for R2. Well, we're changing the plan. No one gets left behind, and we're not leaving until I say so.
Prepare for liftoff.
We are scanning a large amount of rhydonium on that ship.
It's a bomb.
You thought this conference would be boring.
Mayday, mayday! Space Station Valor, this is Colonel Meaver Gascon. Can anyone hear me?
We read you, Colonel. This is General Skywalker. What's going on out there?
Slight change in our mission, General. The droids and I were stowaways on that cruiser.
Where's R2?
I'm sorry to report he was on that ship when it blew up, sir. He just saved all your lives.
I want a salvage team out there now! Yes, sir. R2! You made it, buddy! Hey, you're a big hero! There's someone here who wants to speak to you.
R2-D2, are we glad to see you?
I am most glad.
Quiet, Quack, I'm talking here.
Yes, sir, Colonel.
In truth, I might just be a map reader, and I don't have much battle experience. But R2, you are the bravest droid I have ever met. You all are. I would be proud to serve with you droids anytime, anywhere.
Oh, I am glad to hear you say that, Colonel, because I hear we have been assigned to the same platoon. We will be seeing each other every day for the rest of the war.
That's great, Quack.